Of course, Black Coffee's party was never gonna be without any drama. How do you have Somizi, Unati, and Sizwe Dlomo in one setting and think everything is going to be smoothly like a lemon? It will never be, Sana. Something's about to go down. And what went down, we will discuss. Okwamanje asithi qaba qaba. Hey, no, shele. Yabathini manje? Grim. Shele. Ne? Yeah. Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami bomuntu abakadadi bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at Sims Right Reviews on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, I'm sorry, Kamukhala, I have got you covered. Titi Bode. Today is my last day as a 33-year-old. Yes! Yes, tomorrow. It's my birthday. It's Yvonne Chaka Chaka's birthday. It's Queen Latifah's birthday. I'm gonna call them and ask them what are the plans. And I would like to, guys, ngiyabonga. I already have like gifts from management. Guys, thank you so much. Your love for me, like Sana, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Like you love a stranger on the internet. Thank you for my early birthday presents. I will be unboxing them. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you. If you are looking for some beautiful house music, look no further because Cloud Cassette has got you covered with beautiful music relating to love and matters of the heart. I know your heart is frozen, but listen to this and you'll start being warm. Your heart will start being a pizza. You'll have a slice for everyone. Please stream this beautiful album on all the streaming link. I will link everything in the description box down below. Guys, it's about to be Easter. Cholani, Cholani, Guzobana, Cholani. Play this music in the background and Vusan those feelings, man. Vusan my feelings. Now on today's video, Utebuho Tobejane has gone from being the victim to the alleged victimizer. How crazy is it that the people who are currently on track for her attempted removal on earth, one of them, the wife of Uket Matlala, Tsakane Matlala, has laid a criminal complaint against the very same person she's on trial for trying to make a customer of Avbob and Sanlam. The criminal complaint alleges that Utebucho is cyberbullying her, Tebucho is harassing her, and Tebucho is defaming her character. Sakane, my sister, you are married to the biggest mgulugudu in the diaspora, my sister. Your character has long been defamed, long before Mfundi Vundla fired those 16 actors on Generations. My sister, you are a maskbenga. You are a Nandi Pamakutumane Jr. What? Not even junior, because your man is very higher than Tabo Pesta. Unzima. Rosemary looks at you and says, "Ha, you." So which character is being defamed, Takani? You were trying to make this person an underground member. You were sending her to be with, I was going to say with the Lord, but I'm not sure if heaven has a BBL section yet. I have not confirmed with Angel Gabriel those things. But I'm just trying to say, Takani, you are standing. You are standing and currently on trial because you tried to remove this woman, but now she is allegedly bullying you. Not that she's suffering from post-traumatic stress from what you almost did to her. Because all the Instagram stories that I saw from Tebo Khotubejani were like, you guys are getting fame and notoriety. More notoriety from this trial. And people are like supporting you. And you guys are falling in love with each other's eyes in the court. Kanti, you almost removed her and made her son motherless. That's what you were saying on the Instagram stories. But let's see how this thing unfolds because we know that justice favors money. If a criminal has money, things are most likely to go their way. So we will see how this thing unfolds. Musa Kawula's name is back at the Madlanga Commission. Mamelani Lana. It is alleged that Dr. Temrin Green's husband, Jose Ngumalo, not Z, Zay Ngumalo, the businessman, was on the neck of Babu Sbia, wanting Musa to be arrested. This man has dealt with crooks, criminals, but could not handle being spoken about by a gossip blogger named Musa Kaula, allegedly. Now, it is alleged that Uzengumalo went as far as purchasing VIP tickets for an event that Musa was supposed to be at. Okay, this man wanted Musa to be arrested publicly on a television event. He wanted Musa to be ashamed and shamed. You can't shame the shameless. Musa has zero, zero shame in him. He does not even drink one teaspoon of introni. So this plan was going to backfire. So Uze even went as far as purchasing tickets allegedly for 6 police officers to go to that event and arrest Musa while in action. Unfortunately for them, that plan backfired because why? Musa was not in attendance at that particular event, even after Uze had sent tickets and proof of payment. And it is alleged that someone close to Musa sold him out. A journalist, a presenter, and Natasha at the SABC, who had Musa Kawula's phone number, gave it to the higher powers that be that wanted to arrest Musa and Julie. And we know Musa's gonna come back and like him and his 7 rats are going to come for Natasha. Yeah, Natasha, you bitch. I know what you were trying to do, bitch. Yeah, if I ain't go. Usazoshuba. Usazoshuba. Tell man's. Like I'm parched. Why ain't got Fire. Fire. Also, can we talk about Black Coffee's party? So we know that that one of Rick Coffee Jacobs calling my Nescafe Dow Ellenberg Black Coffee Kosinati Mapumulo was turning 50. Half a century, my dear, causing havoc on these streets. Why you got here? Fire, 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 fire. So, at this 50th birthday, the guest list had the likes of Abu Sweet Beats, Abu Shimza, Kere Unati, like Unati and Black Coffee's girlfriend. Like those were the females that I saw there. But obviously, maybe he had other people there. I mean, he's related to girls. Maybe his family members were there, but in the big pictures, we saw Unati front and center, Papa. And then Sizwe Dlomo, and then Somizi. And if you know the history between Unati, Sizwe Dlomo, and Somizi, Unati told us that Sizwe Dlomo made her life difficult at Kaya FM, even going as far as getting her fired. She even tried to sue the station and dragged Sizwe for filth. You remember? But Sizwe, you know Sizwe, he's not the one, the two, or the seven, okay? Alazi, the type of power that Sizwe has, but it's worse than ESCOM on a Saturday. Caesar was like, you want my name to be in the mud. Oh no, sweetie, not me. So anyway, I don't know where that whole case went, but Onati was fired at Kaya FM, and she and Sizwe Romo have had the sourest relationship since then. So they were at the same party. And Unati, remember, she was on Mechi's podcast, and she told us why she stopped being friends with Somizi. She said, I cannot be friends with a convicted shaksh offender. I can't. I shan't not. I will not and won't not. So then people were like, Unati, you never stand for anything, honestly, because you said you don't want to be in the same vicinity as Somizi. And imagine, it's like you're only crucifying Somizi, but yet you are friends with DJ Fresh, who's been accused of heinous things. You know, you laugh with people that have wild offenses, but you pick and choose who you defriend and unfollow. Shady match. And then she was like, "Oh, sweetie, I was at that party and not once did I have a horrible time. I was having fun while Sizwe and Somizi were talking about me behind my back, giving me dirty looks. I couldn't care less because I was there to drink my what? My coffee." Ngathi, "Hamba unazi. Hamba shemsisi wami. I know. Hamba, hamba juba yo." No, ngiyakuzwa. Ngiyakuzwa sisami, ngiyakuzwa. But yeah, people were just like giving you the side eye. That black coffee. You can't stand Somis, but you add black coffees, but make it make sense because black coffee has befriended the unfriendables. And guys, one thing about Somis, Somis is on everyone's guest list. Who is he friends with? Like, love them all, but friend no one. What? So let us talk in the comment section down below. Let's see how everything goes down. I will be back to do another video because these brands have us. Okay. So I will be back soon. Let me edit this video, put it up, and then do the next video. Today, Nyenhlelila. It's my last 33th, 33rd AG 33rd year. So I need to spend it with you for all.